Hey guys, I have a jewelry subscription for you guys and I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys. This one is called Jewlybox. This is $19.99 a month and they went ahead and sent me these for review purposes, and I have one to give away to one of you guys as well, so stay tuned. So they come in these envelopes like this. It's a rose gold envelope in the mail. I think that the color is absolutely beautiful and it matches their little ribbon here on the bag. So it comes in a little bag like this. I really like the little cotton bag, and I love when jewelry, especially fantasy jewelry, comes where to store it itself, because I feel like the more you keep it separate, the more they last. So I'm gonna go ahead and just open this up and share with you guys, and just popping this out here. So I have 3 little baggies and I'm gonna go ahead and open them, as you can see here. And the first thing in here is, I think this is a necklace. Yes. Okay. Oh wow. This, oh, okay. Okay. So this is one of those super long necklaces, but you're not supposed to wear it like that. I am almost sure that you're supposed to do like a wraparound. So let me see if I can do that real quick. Okay, so I do have my uniform on, so you can't really tell, but you can definitely put this as like a layer necklaces. I only did like 3, but you could definitely do more. Just wrap it around and do various lengths. I absolutely love this. I love small dainty necklaces like this, and then having it be like a layered one like this. I think I would definitely do like multiple ones, so that way it's like more you know, not as long in the center. But I just wanted to kind of give you guys an idea of what it would look like, and definitely put the clasps towards the back, so you can definitely let me go up a little bit so you guys can see. So as you can see there, it has like multi layers. You guys can see my little microphone. So very, very beautiful. I really like that. Next thing in here is the earrings. So it came with little earrings as well, and this is what they look like. That is so pretty. These are little, I don't know what, like little half flowers. So let me go ahead and put one on so you can definitely see it. I think my dog needs to go outside. Of course, it's a little bugaboo. So that is what it looks like right there. It's super, super beautiful. And the last thing in here, it looks like it's a bracelet. Oh yeah, oh, this is so pretty. Okay, and this has one of my favorite kind of clasps, the ones that you can just pull on, so that way it's nice and tight on your wrist. So that is what it looks like right there. Oh, this is so pretty. It's gold with like rose kind of quartz. That is absolutely beautiful. I love how it has like multi ones. It has 4 of them together, so you don't have to worry about like layering more bracelets. That is absolutely beautiful. I love the whole combination of everything together. You can obviously wear them separate, but this is absolutely beautiful. So that is it for the month of March, but they did send me one to give away to you guys. This one, if I'm not mistaken, just by looking through here, is in the shade silver. So all you have to do is write your Instagram handle, if you follow me on Instagram, down below, and write a comment of what your favorite thing for the month of March is. Or if you're having anything new in your life or anything like that, just write that down below and you will be entered. If you follow me on Instagram, just put your Instagram handle and that will be an extra entry down below. And yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think of this subscription. I think it's super affordable and the items are super beautiful. So I'd love to hear back from you guys. If you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe down below by hitting that little red button. I love you guys, and until the next one, bye guys.